कुरकुरे से नहीं, उतना पोर्शन आप उसको चाकू से लाइटली ऊपर से उसको थोड़ा सा खुरच, बट डोंट रिमूव एंटायर कड़ी, राइट?
चाकू नहीं लगना है,
वेरी लाइटली यू रब इट, वो भी चलेगा, लेकिन वो स्किन को नहीं निकालने का है इन एनी केस। हाँ, जहाँ बहुत इसेंशियल है वहाँ तो आपको निकालना है, नहीं रताली का नहीं निकालना है। जैसा बीटरूट होता है, देखिए बीटरूट रेड कलर का होता है, उसमें ऊपर का आधा पोर्शन जो होता है, उसमें का आधा पोर्शन इट इज वेरी मडी, तो वो पोर्शन को आप थोड़ा सा रब कर सकते हैं, आप समझ के नहीं मिलेगा। उसी तरह से और भी कुछ ऐसे वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं, जैसे वो लाइन की तुरई आती है, देखो लाइन, ओनली यू रिमूव दैट लाइन, दैट्स ऑल, और उसका चटनी बना सकते हैं, जैसा भाई साहब ने अभी बताया, शिराली, करेक्ट, ही इज वेरी राइट। और शिराली का आप खाली लाइन रिमूव कर दीजिए, और लाइन का लगे तो आप बाद में तिल्ली वगैरह डाल के उसकी चटनी बना सकते हैं, और द अदर पोर्शन ऑफ द स्किन यू कीप एज इट इज, और उसकी सब्जी बनाए। और सब्जी, इफ यू विल यूज द लेस ऑयल, लेस मसाला, मिनिमम सॉल्ट, देन इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू। यू कैन ऐड अदर थिंग्स, जैसा अदरक है या हल्दी पाउडर है, टर्मेरिक पाउडर है, अदर थिंग्स यू कैन ऐड इन द वेजिटेबल। एंड एवरी डे each person is supposed to eat minimum 200 to 250 gram vegetables at a time. 200 to 250 gram vegetables. When the oil will be less, it is not difficult to eat the more vegetables. Why we cannot eat more vegetables? Because we are putting more oil as well as more masala in the vegetables. So it is just like a chutney. Then we are supposed to eat only this much vegetable every day. But according to our experience, each person has to supposed to eat 250 approximately at one time. Along with that, minimum 100 gram salad, which along with your lunch and the dinner has to be every day. 100 gram minimum salad. In your salad, onion is very good to prevent the cholesterol level. Remember, if you are eating every day one small onion, you are controlling your cholesterol level. Remember, my friends, very important. One small onion, maybe 50 gram or like. Nowadays it is very costly.
White quality.
White is better than the red. White is better than red. But nowadays only red onions are available in the market, so you can eat the red also. But approximately 50 gram means one small onion. Along with that, you can use the cucumber and so many things. Carrots, yeah, muli.
The spring onions and onion. Spring onion.
No problem. But it should be raw. Entire salad should be raw. इतना याद रखिएगा. And you don't remove the skin. Most important. एंड सलाद कभी भी आप याद रखिएगा, ये फ्रेश काट के, नहीं तो सो मेनी वुमेन्स व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे विल कट द सलाद, कीप इन द फ्रीज एंड देन गिव दिस सर्विंग इन द लंच और डिनर नेक्स्ट डे. लाइक इट शुड नॉट हैपन. व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग टू टेक द लंच, इमीडिएटली यू कट द सलाद. व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग द डिनर, just 5-10 minutes before you cut the salad and serve to your family member. That is very important thing, because जितना पहले आप उसको काट के रखेंगे सलाद को, उसमें के एंजाइम्स जो होते हैं ये हवा में उड़ जाते हैं. एंजाइम्स इज वेरी इसेंशियल पार्ट. कट खा सकते हैं बट नॉट इन नाइट. कर्ड एंड बटर मिल्क इज वेरी गुड, बट ओनली along with the breakfast or the lunch. In dinner, I will suggest don't take any curd or butter. Even avoid the milk also in the night. It will increase the cough and the gas in your body. If you are eating in night, particularly any white items, means curd or buttermilk or milk is not good for the health if you are eating in night. That you remember. If at all, suppose in night if you are going to drink the milk, you add little turmeric powder in the milk. Remember, suppose your children, if they are habituated to drink the milk in the night, you add a little powder of turmeric in the milk and then you do that to drink in the night particularly, not daytime.
So you were talking about the garlic ones, garlic is a
That I am just coming to that because this salad, in that salad, you can use sprouted moong or sprouted chana. Sprouted moong or chana. The person who is having the blood pressure problem, he is advised to use sprouted moong. Remember, in case of the blood pressure, sprouted moong is more advisable, and in case of diabetes, black chana is more useful. Black chana. Black and yellowish. There are two types of chana, and third is Kabuli chana. You will not use the Kabuli chana. Huh? Bengal grams, correct. In case of the Bengal gram, there are two types. One is blackish and one is yellowish. So any type of you can use. But if you are having the diabetes particularly, the more advisable is the black chana, because you can increase your iron level also if you are using the black chana. At present, if you are having the diabetes, I will suggest to start the chana, sprouted chana. You just remember one more thing. While putting in the water, the chana, suppose you are putting in the night, the chana, you have to put little more water in that. Otherwise, what will happen? In the morning, you will see it will the water will be absorbed by the chana, entire water. So you will put little more water, and along with the chana, you add the methi dana, whatever is your age. How many seeds? According to your age. Night time only. You put in the water along with the chana. Suppose you are 59, you will put 59 chana, methi dana, methi seed. So every birthday you will increase one seed every year.
What the reason behind that?
Yeah. If you want to reach 100 seeds, so that will help.
What level is
No, that is some scientific reason.
what?
No. Yeah, that is correct. The methi dana will prevent, but methi dana can prevent your diabetes disease. And the most important that question, I am very sorry to explain you what is the reason behind it. But somewhere I have seen that the person was explaining that every year if you will increase one seed, that will be better.
Normally we don't have just like a tablespoon or
No, instead of that, it will take hardly half minute to count the seed. To count the seed, it takes hardly half minute. Suppose you are 49, you just count the 49 seeds and put in the water. That's all.
How much chana is
Chana, this much, that's all. Not more, one more. Either black or yellow. For diabetes especially, if what I am telling you, if you are having the diabetes problem, in that case only you will follow these instructions. And what you listen further, after putting this entire thing in the water, next day morning you will remove the water and drink it empty stomach. खाली पेट ये पानी को खाली पीना. And then you put in the this cloth, wrap the chana and make it in the cloth. Next day it will be sprouted. And then you can eat like a breakfast next day. So first day only you will drink the water. From next day what will happen? You will have to drink the water first and then take the breakfast of the same chana and methi. You can add onion and this tomato and like a bhel you can say. If you have any problem of the teeth, you can make it half boiled. Before eating, you can make half boil so that it will not be difficult for you to chew. You add some pieces of the onion or muli or like that tomato. Add some jeera and this salt